Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change password on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you come across this home page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down your screen and click on Settings and Privacy option. Click on the Settings option once again. Then go to Password and Security. Now click on Change Password option. Then choose the account to make changes. Here you'll have to enter your current password and new password. Now retype your new password. And if you do not remember your current password, then you can click on Forgotten your password link. Click on Change Password button. And that is how you can change password on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.